5-factor model of personality. The controversies regarding the basic personality traits has taken an interesting turn in recent years. Paul Costa and Robert McRae have examined all possible personality traits and gave 5-factor model of personality. Ocean can help us to learn and remember the big 5 factors. 5 factors of personality: openness, conscientiousness, extroversion, agreeableness, neuroticism. Now let us see these factors. Openness, imaginative or practical, interested in variety or routine, independent or conforming. Conscientiousness, organized or disorganized, careful or careless, disciplined or impulsive. Extroversion, sociable or retiring, fun loving or somber, affectionate or reserved. Agreeableness, soft hearted or ruthless, trusting or suspicious, helpful or uncooperative. Neuroticism, calm or anxious, secure or unsecure, self satisfied or self pitying. In every factor, we have seen the contrast, and these contrasts are explaining the 5 big factors of personality. Hope you enjoyed learning about the personality and the session has helped you to explore various aspects of personality. Thanks for watching. Kindly provide your valuable feedback in the comment box.